Get ready. Go, go, go!
Okay, go, go!
Keep going. Right behind you.
Keep going.
Moving up, right behind you, right behind you! Todd! Watch the door! Watch the door! You're out! Ready on your six! You alright, Todd? Alright, he's out. The guy right behind you's out. Keep talking, guys. If you see anything, let us know. All right, I want to make sure there's no one behind us, guys. You all right, Todd?
Yeah, I'm good. Somebody was shooting at me from front of the car. It was your brother. I knew the guys that were pinning him down. I got 3 out behind here.
I think we got this side safe right now. Hey, Todd, there was someone right here walking.
I know. I saw him as I came around. I jumped back. And
he ran through here, and I got him through the window.
I'm like, hey, hey, hey.
All right, keep moving. If we can flank them. Hey, we got a whole hillside here. Where are they? Where at, Mike?